If you want to use Facebook comments with your OptimizePress pages, we have an integrated Facebook comments element. Now, in order to use this, we recommend using the social integration features of Facebook, which require you to set up a Facebook app ID. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your own Facebook app ID. So the first thing to do is go to the Facebook developers page, which you can find at developers.facebook.com. And you need to log in to your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, you will see a Register Now button on the Facebook developers page. You click the Facebook developers Register Now button, and you're going to first tick to accept the policies for Facebook. Click Continue. You now need to verify your account, so I'm just going to enter in my phone number. And once you've verified your account, you have the option to turn on the confirmation of your phone number and turn on text notifications. I'm just going to click Continue on this page. You now have information that you could submit about Facebook and how you're going to be using it. I would just skip this page. And you're all set up as a Facebook developer. Now, you will only need to do that process once for your Facebook account. The next thing to do is click on Create New App. And you need to give your app a name. I recommend just using the name of your site. So I'm just going to call this OptimizePress Demo. And you'll need to give your app a namespace. Now, this is not essential for now, so I'm just going to leave that. And I'm going to click on Continue. I'm going to enter in the captcha codes. Okay, and now you can see that I'm inside the app that I've just created. Now, there's a few things you need to set up before this is all ready to go. So the first thing you need to do is enter in your app domain. And as you can see, the best thing to do is just enter in the overall domain for your site. So in this case, ophelpdesk.com is my domain. I'm not going to leave any slashes or anything else in there, just the overall domain. I'm also going to turn off the sandbox mode. Now, if you're using one of the other settings here, you can choose to set one of these up. So I'm going to enter in my site URL here. So as you can see, you need to use HTTP and then your domain. Let's save that. Okay, and as you can see, this app is now live. So what we've done is we've entered in our app domain. So this is where you just enter in the domain, and even if you're using a subdomain, you would just enter in the overall domain. We've turned off sandbox mode, and because we're offering a login on our website, which is essentially allowing people to log into their Facebook account to comment, we need to enter in the site URL here. Once you've done all that, click Save. And as you can see, we're just going to need to wait a few minutes for these changes to propagate. Now, all that you need to copy from this page is your app ID. So just copy this app ID. And then if we go back to our OptimizePress site, go into social integration, and you'll paste in the app ID here and click Save. Now, when you go to use the Facebook comments features both in our live editor and on the blog system, if you're using the blog theme, you will see that Facebook comments will be integrated with your site. In another video, I will show you the alternative process for integrating Facebook comments into your live editor pages. However, that will not work for the blog theme Facebook comments, so this will need to be integrated in this way if you want to use blog comments on your blog pages, so Facebook comments on your blog pages.